Well, I just wanted to show a difference of how you can arrive at the same thing using different tools. We got the scope with the clamp, and it's measuring the data, you know, minimum, maximum. Scope, you can look at the signal, you know, the wave, which is what you want, and with the scope. Then right here we got a multimeter with the clamp on, measuring the same thing. We're measuring the amp draw, and it's fluctuating. And then right here we got the fuse buddy, and he's doing the same thing. He's measuring the amp draw. 70 bucks. This setup right here about 400. This setup right here about 900. So 3 different ways, and you know, you don't have to buy the most expensive tool to be able to see amps. You know, this fuse buddy does it. This fuse buddy is limited to 80 amps. The meter is not limited to amps, it's just limited by the clamp. This is a 600 volt clamp, which I can use on my scope. Same thing with the scope, it's just limited by the clamp that you're using. So just a little shootout scope, meter, and fuse buddy. You know, 70 bucks, 400 bucks, about 800 bucks right there. Be smart when you buy your tools. Sometimes you don't gotta buy a real expensive tool, depending on what you're looking for. You can just get by with one of these.